5 turmeric tea recipes for weight loss. Turmeric tea is believed to have many health benefits like boosting your immune system, preventing Alzheimer's, protecting against liver damage, and many more. Turmeric is native to South Asia and a member of the ginger family. It had been used thousands of years ago in Chinese medicine. Drinking turmeric tea helps a person weight loss, as the active ingredient in it is curcumin, which plays a major role in suppressing fats. However, to get fully absorbed into the body, curcumin needs to be combined with other ingredients like black pepper. For example, here we'll provide you with 5 turmeric tea recipes for weight loss. Number 1. Ginger turmeric tea. This recipe will help in detoxifying your body and losing fats. You need ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and honey. Add 2 cups of water to the saucepan, then add grated fresh ginger, black pepper powder, and turmeric powder. If you prefer strong flavors, then double the amount. Boil the mix and then let it simmer for 3 minutes. Strain the tea and wait till it's lukewarm to drink it. Number 2. Mint leaves turmeric tea. Get a saucepan and pour 2 cups of water and turmeric in it. Turn the heat to boiling. Once boiled, turn off the heat and add fresh mint leaves, and then let the mix cool to room temperature. Mint leaves are high in fiber content and low in calories. Mint also stimulates digestive enzymes and turns fat into energy. Number 3. Cinnamon turmeric tea. Boil 2 cups of water, turmeric, and cinnamon powder, or a stick, in a saucepan, then drink it warm. Cinnamon is a great addition to your tea as it is packed with antioxidants. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as that really helps the growth of our channel. Number 4. Turmeric tea with honey. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties, and it is an appetite suppressant, so it won't affect your diet. Just add some honey to your turmeric tea when it is warm to sweeten your tea. Number 5. Turmeric, ginger, and chamomile tea. Boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan and add the turmeric. Then reduce the heat to low and let the mix simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat and add freshly grated ginger and 2 chamomile tea bags. Leave the mix for 5 minutes, then add raw honey. Turmeric is a wonderful spice packed up with several nutrients. In addition to helping you lose weight in a healthy way, it can ease aches and pains thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also has a calming effect on the nerves, which is why many people prefer to drink a cup of turmeric tea before they go to sleep. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.